Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Forex training series. I'm excited to see you again. Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming free classes. As always, this course is designed completely for beginners. You don't need any previous knowledge of Forex. I'll guide you step by step. In our last class, Module 2, we learned the basics of currency trading. We talked about currency pairs and how they work. We looked at base currency versus quote currency. We explained pips, lots, leverage, and margin. And we discussed the different Forex trading sessions. That was the foundation of how Forex trading operates. Now, in today's class, we'll move to something practical. How to actually set yourself up for trading. Module 3, Setting up for trading. 1. Choosing a reliable broker. Your broker is a company that connects you to the Forex market. Think of them as the middleman that gives you the trading platform. When choosing a broker, look for regulation. Make sure they are licensed by authorities, good customer support, low spreads and commissions, easy deposit and withdrawal methods. Example, if a broker is regulated by FCA UK, SISEC Europe, or NFA US, that's usually a good sign. Always avoid unregulated brokers that promise unrealistic profits. 2. Setting up MetaTrader 4 or 5. Once you've chosen a broker, you'll need a trading platform. The most common ones are MetaTrader 4 MT4 and MetaTrader 5 MT5. Here's what you can do on MT4/MT5. Open charts and analyze markets. Place buy and sell trades. Add technical indicators. Track your profits and losses. Example, let's say you open MT4 and load a euro to US dollar chart. You'll see price movements in real time, and you can decide whether to buy or sell. 3. Demo account versus live account. Every broker gives you two main types of accounts. Demo account, practice with virtual money. No risk, great for beginners. Live account, trade with real money. Profits and losses are real. Example, if you open a demo account with $10,000 virtual balance and you trade euro to US dollar, any profit or loss is just practice, no real money involved. This helps you learn without fear. I always recommend starting with a demo account until you're consistent. 4. Placing buy and sell orders. This is where things get exciting, actually placing trades. On MT4/MT5, you'll see two main buttons, buy and sell. Buy order. Going long, you buy when you think the price will go up. Sell order. Going short, you sell when you think the price will go down. Example, if euro to US dollar is at 1.1000 and you believe it will rise, you click buy. If it later goes up to 1.1050, you made 50 pips profit. But if you thought it would rise and it actually fell, you would lose instead. That's why we use tools like stop loss and take profit, which we'll cover. Fantastic job today. In this class, you learn how to set yourself up for trading, how to choose a reliable broker, how to use MetaTrader 4 or 5, the difference between demo and live accounts, and how to place buy and sell orders. These are the first steps to actually becoming a trader. I recommend an Exodus broker. Please don't forget to click the link in the comments section to join the Exodus broker to start your journey of being a profitable retail trader. If you enjoyed this class, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you can keep learning Forex for absolutely free. In our next class, Module 4, we'll dive into market analysis, how to read charts, spot trends, and understand candlesticks. That's where we'll really start building trading skills. See you in the next class.